and as you are aware, the government has already released the key. So we'll be just seeing whether it is right or not and what exactly is the explanation for that. So the first one, which of the following geographical series is not related to Vindhyan system? Because this topic is associated with AP geography, and in this, if you look, this is Kondalite series. And why this is correct? The main reason is it is actually taken from the Konda tribe, which is present in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Fine. Because of that, we normally observe that it is present in the eastern Ghats, whereas the Vindhyan system comes somewhere in the northern, right, at the central part of India. So that's why this is the correct answer. Which of the following are as a result of depositional activity of the Himalayan rivers? River terraces basically means you will find a system like this. Now let me say you had a flat land. Now initially it will have erosion downwards, which look like this, and again the river will meander to form like this. Again the river will erode and form like this. So this is formed due to erosion and not because of deposition, right? River terraces is an erosional feature, whereas they are asking you depositional activity. 11th standard NCERT book, right? So if you see the denudational factors, erosional features, directly this is being picked. That's why we keep repeating, please read NCERT books again and again. And if you see, if one I remove, the only option that is available is 2, 3 and 4. If any doubts, if you get in between, you can feel free to ask. Which of the following southern states share boundary with maximum number of states? See guys, if you take Karnataka, Karnataka has border with Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So it has maximum number. With respect to South Indian states, others you know, right? Tamil Nadu hardly has border with Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has border only with, like, Telangana on one side, Odisha to some extent, if you claim, Chhattisgarh. Now, if you look at Telangana, it has border with Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Okay, if you consider Chhattisgarh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 for Telangana, 3 and 3. So the answer is Karnataka. There is a place with longitude 60° west. Okay, I always tell you in the class, make 0° east or west. They are talking about 60° west. That means this side, 60° west. And you have another place B at 90° east. And they are telling the time at place A is 10 a.m. What would be the time at 90°? See guys, 60 plus 90 is 60 to 0, 0 to 90. I tell you, always add or subtract. So I got how much? 150°. And in our classes, we have seen 15° is equal to 1 hour. 150° is equal to 10 hours. So if I'm looking at 10 hours, I need to add 10 a.m. plus 10 hours. Why? If I'm moving from west to east, I add time, and if I'm moving from east to west, I subtract the time. Here I'm asking 60° west and they're asking you to find 90° east. That means 10 AM plus 10 hours, which would be equal to 8 PM. Fine. So that's the correct answer for you. India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, 3286,783 square kilometer is the actual one, but they have given 32.8 square kilometer. So the statement is right and accounts to 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Yes, 11th standard NCERT book, first chapter gives you this. The longitudinal extent is correct. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories is also correct. So all the three statements are correct. These are all very simple. If you have done mistakes with respect to this, then there is an issue. Okay. So next is, Ken Betwa link project, if you are able to get this, you see, Ken Betwa link project is in between Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. This is the first state interstate water linking project that has been happening. So if you see, the three options are correct, right? So this is wrong, remove this. And then when we look at Renukaji, Renukaji is in Himachal Pradesh. So if you say B, the third one will be the correct option. So if you go by that logic, sixth one, the second one is correct, mainly because this Renukaji is in Himachal Pradesh. This was in news because of the construction projects that are going on. Because dams and irrigation projects have become important in most of the exams, and it's important for us to know them. This is very simple. Sariska is in Rajasthan. If you want, open your NCERT books or what we call as atlas and see. Periyar is in Kerala, right? Indravati is in Chhattisgarh. Buxa, West Bengal. So A4, so you remove the first option. Sariska, Rajasthan, so you remove the fourth option, right? Buxa, West Bengal, so the third option is correct. The paper is a bit difficult, guys, because normally in groups exams and all, even if you would eliminate one option, you will get answer. But here, even after eliminating 3, you are not getting the options. That means they have made it very close. So the paper is difficult, don't worry if you are scoring less, because scores would reduce drastically. Okay. This is directly from 11th standard NCERT book, minerals chapter. Mica is the answer. Factual data, guys. Again, a factual data. The Vindhyachal thermal power station, Madhya Pradesh, is the largest. The greatest variety of animal. See guys, whenever we say biodiversity, the highest biodiversity will always be equatorial forest, or we call it as evergreen forest. So evergreen forest will always have the highest. So that is tropical moist forest. Deciduous taiga deserts, they will not have diversity more. The highest diversity will always be in evergreen forest, which is shown as moist forest as well. So this is a very basic question. Seasonal differences are maximum in. Seasonal difference means temperature differences. Now, if I say equator 23 and half, 23 and half, 66 and half, 90 degree, 66 and half, 90 degree. This is tropical region. Throughout the year, temperature will be greater than 18 degrees Celsius. This is frigid region where temperature is always or mostly less than 0 degrees Celsius. In this region, summer is hot, winter is cold. So highest seasonal variation will be in mid latitudes. Fine, will be in mid latitudes. North to south, okay. Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. This is the order guys you have. You see where do you have? Jhelum is first one. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. It's all this you have to remember in order. When we teach you in class, you feel, why are we by hearting them? Now when you get questions, you realize that yes, they ask you from north to south. Naupuda and marine biodiversity area is located in Srikakulam. The factual data is, arrange the following, okay, you see here, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, argon is 0.93%, carbon dioxide is 0.003%. So this is what the concentration you have, and this is the correct answer. So this is again from NCERT book. Childhood, you would have read them. This is 12th standard NCERT book guys. Doubling, we say. Doubling of human population from 5 billion to 6 billion. It happened in 1987 to 1999. 12 years time it took actually. According to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes order, how many scheduled tribes are there in Andhra Pradesh? So this is a factual one, 33. As per the census of India 2011, which of the following group of states and union territories does not have scheduled caste population? Very interesting question guys. So if you look at this, you see Nagaland, Christian community, tribal communities are more guys. Lakshadweep, 99% people are Muslims. Andaman and Nicobar, you have tribal communities. Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, they have tribal communities, not SC population. So Dalit population is mostly present where you had this agricultural activity, caste, all those aspects. Northeast India, except Assam if you see, Northeast India, and also when we look at Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, which were away from the Aryan invasions, we can say in those areas SC population was significantly less. Sex ratio, okay. See guys, Puducherry is having 1037. Remember there are two states in India where the sex ratio was more than 1000. One was with respect to Kerala, second one is Pondicherry. Fine. After that, Tamil Nadu has 996, Andhra Pradesh 998. I think it is a combined one according to 2011 if it is. Lakshadweep has the least case. Okay, I'll tell you why. Lakshadweep has 99% Muslim community and most of them are migrants from Kerala who go there, who stay there, who work there, who fish there and then come back. So that's why they come into this. So if you look at that particular one, A is 2. So 1 and 4 you need to remove. And then Tamil Nadu is 3. So remove this. Third one is the answer. What percentage of rail routes were electrified in India? Okay, according to the factual data, it is 50 to 91%. It seems this is, I think some technical error is there with respect to this. Fine. So, guys, in this particular question, match coal-based power plants which are there. Yes, Dadri is in Uttar Pradesh. You might have heard about the Dadri lynching incident. Like, if you are aware about that, D4, yeah, D4 only one option is there. Kudgi, Chhattisgarh, Kahalgaon, Karnataka. Sorry. Yeah, D3. D is 3. Only one option is there. Yes. And if you see this, Kudgi, Karnataka, Kahalgaon, Bihar, Sipat, Chhattisgarh. Okay. Yes, this is out of the box. Like, we teach geography optional, but still, like, some aspects we won't be aware because it is asked out of the box for the students. Agriculture students, 21-2. So this is the option. Crop combination by waiver, crop diversification by Jasbir Singh, crop concentration, Bhatia, agricultural productivity, Kendall, Majid productivity. Which of the following grassland separates cold Asia from dry Asia? So grassland in Asia itself is steppes. Prairies is North America. Tundra is the poles one. Taiga is coniferous. It's a forest. This is desert. And prairies is grassland in North America. According to the Indian Forest Act 1927, which of the following is the most appropriate sequence? Protection. See, because reserved forests were given more protection, then protected forest, and then village forests. Fine. If we go by that, 23rd, first one is correct. Which of the following indicator species are not found in Sri Venkateshwara National Park of Andhra Pradesh? Woodstock. These are difficult, guys. Don't worry. Which of the following is the first pipeline constructed in India for the transportation of crude oil? See guys, first oil was found in Digboy. From Digboy, closer to that you have something called as Nahar Katia. From Nahar Katia, we took it to Noonamati. From Noonamati, we went to Baroni in Bihar. This was one of the biggest issue in the beginning, mainly because during Assam Accord and all, Assamese, especially Wolfa groups and all started telling, India is going for, economic drain theory, where they told that tea from Darjeeling is taken, Assam Valley is taken to Kolkata, and they are trying to get money from that. Oil they are taking from Digboy, they are taking to Baroni in Bihar, they are refining and taking the money. So that was one of the biggest issue, because of which in Article 371, when they spoke about Nagaland, they told that the natural resources, we will give it to you only. You only handle the things. Because the riots happened in Assam. Andhra Pradesh is the sole producer of apatite. Factual data again. Which of the following factors are responsible for the higher sugarcane production in tropical regions as compared to subtropical regions in India? So, cool nights with clear skies, latitudinal position helps, long hours of sunshine helps, high temperature disparity. Okay, this high temperature disparity doesn't happen in the tropical regions, but it will be there in the subtropical regions. So the answer is 1, 2 and 3. Who among the following made the first attempt to demarcate Indian agriculture into 4 macro regions? It was Sen, Gupta and Dasyuk. Agriculture, they have literally gone to the depth, guys. Yeah. Which of the following statements are true about Indian steel industry? India is the second largest producer of steel in the world, yes. And third largest consumer, guys. Indian steel industry produced 51.89 million tons crude steel with 5.1%. Yes. The production of steel in the year 2020 is more than the previous year. No, because of COVID it reduced. India is ranked first in the production of crude steel. No, China is the first. So it is 1 and 2. Okay. Geographical heritage sites states. Lunar Lake is in Maharashtra. Shivalik is in Himachal Pradesh. So if I see A and B 3 and 4, A and B 3 and 4, so this is the option available. Akal wood fossil. Just a minute, guys. Yes. So, guys, overall, when we look at these, there are a lot of factual data. Geography is all about the facts, but few things you can eliminate. And if you had read 11th and 12th NCERT book properly, line by line, it would have been easier for you. Fine. Hope you people have done well. So, all the best, guys. Thank you.